Hi, welcome to this video. The autocomplete in Google Search is a great tool to find new ideas. One technique used by bloggers and video creators is to type a topic, like for example dogs, followed by a space and then some letters, like first A, which gives you dogs and cats, dogs anatomy, and then B, which gives you dogs breeds, dogs barking, and you can continue like this with all the letters of the alphabet. The problem is that this method is time-consuming and you cannot copy-paste the suggestions. Google actually offers an API at suggestqueries.google.com, and you can call it directly from a program. For example, http suggestqueries.google.com/complete/search, etc. And it retrieves the data in a computer readable format. So I developed a tool that automatically queries Google Suggest. It is available on my website, thomasmoore.org. You enter a keyword like dogs to follow our previous example. You select the letters that you want to append to the keyword. For example, dogs followed by A and then by B and then by C. The program then goes and retrieves all the suggestions and displays them on the screen. Please note that I have restricted the numbers of letters that you can choose to only 4 letters. This is to save the bandwidth of my hosted web server. But later in this video, I will show you how to install my program on your own machine. You can then select the number of letters that you want to include, possibly the 26 letters of the alphabet. When you install the tool directly on your machine, you also get an additional graph called a word cloud. This word cloud shows you the words appearing in the Google suggestions with their frequency. The bigger the word is shown and the more this word is used in the suggestions by Google. In the 2 versions of the tool, I mean the one on thomasmoore.org and the version that you can install on your own machine. So in the 2 versions, you can save the Google suggestions into a file. You can then open this file and use it in another application such as Excel or Google Sheet, or into a text editor or a database. This export contains the most common words and the Google suggestions they appear in. I will now show you how to install this Google Suggest tool on your own machine. First, connect to GitHub with a link in the description below. Download the tool by selecting code and then download the zip. Open the zip. Select the directory that is inside the zip file. Copy it. Paste the directory somewhere on your computer. I choose, for example, my desktop and then tests. I then paste the new directory in the selected location. Next step is to get this new program to run on your machine. For this, we need to install a few prerequisites and then launch the application. Here are the prerequisites. First, Python. If you do not have Python on your machine, follow the instruction given in the description below. Then open a command prompt. Go to the directory where you copied the tool. In my case, desktop/tests. Check your Python version by typing python-version. It should display a number equal or bigger than 3.6. If the version is lower, you should upgrade your Python installation. Type python-m space venv space venv. This creates what is called a virtual environment. A virtual environment is not mandatory, but highly recommended. A virtual environment will isolate the version of Python and libraries for this given tool. Then type venv/scripts/activate. That should display a venv text at the beginning of the row. Now that we have Python and a virtual environment, we have to install a few libraries on which our program runs. Type pip install followed by the libraries as given in the description below. If you do not get any error, you are ready to run the tool. If you get some error, leave a comment and I will try to help you. You have to start the application by typing python space app.py. And then open a browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Open the URL 127.0.0.1:5004. You should now have the tool running on your local machine. You can enter a keyword, letters separated by commas, and then get the Google suggestions. You can save them to file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.